Hey everybody, it is Shane the Shark Man coming at you from Garrity RV in Junction City. We are showcasing 2018 Winnebago Forza. This is the 34T model. It's a 2-slide coach. Very nice. You actually deserve a coach like this. Safest way to travel. I don't think anyone's going to be taking trips on boats or planes. This is a great way to get around the countryside, remain safe, and just have a lot of fun RVing. This Winnebago is huge. Starting on the driver's side, of course, we've got lots of storage space on the bottom. We also have tinted windows all the way around and one slider up front, right in back of the driver's seat. Very nice chrome rims, very nice tires, brand new, of course. Moving around the back side, we've got the nice paint. I mean, this paint job is amazing. It's got great paint on it. I'm impressed. Moving around to the passenger side, we've got a very long full wall slide with an entertainment center, a TV built right into it. Moving into the coach, first thing you're going to do on the right, as soon as you walk in, you've got a little control power center here, which is your chassis battery, your main power, so on. You can control all that right there. Then as you walk into the coach, you're greeted by a very nice peanut butter interior. It is lovely in here. Moving to the front, on the right side, you've got a huge 46-inch Samsung TV, soundbar underneath it, and bonus, you got a fireplace. Yes, indeed, a fireplace. It is great. Tons of storage space in this thing. Looking into the cockpit, you've got everything you need. I mean, this is huge. Absolutely massive. Like I said, lots of storage up top. You've got a built-in leveling system. Then moving back, we've got a nice double reclining chair set with cup holders. Just beyond that, you got your dining area, drop down table that turns into a bunk if needed, and lots of storage space underneath that too, and above it. Then in the galley, you've got your sliding room. It's part of the slide room. When you push the slide button out, your island on that with your sink, with your gooseneck sink, extends. This countertop is amazing. Moving back, you've got a Whirlpool right above it, a Whirlpool Convection microwave, and this thing is massive. I mean, you could probably put a turkey in there, and that's great because I like to eat, and you can invite me over once you get the coach. And by the way, when I tell you the price, when you call me, Shane the Shark Man, it's going to be a feeding frenzy. I'm telling you what, this is a great coach. Right below the microwave, you've got a 3-burner propane stove, cooktop actually. And then right next to that, you've got a residential Whirlpool freezer, fridge, really nice and excellent condition. Directly across from that, you've got your bathroom, and in it you've got lots of storage space. Nice, very nice sink, little toilet there with a wash wand on it. Also, you've got a big, I mean, hey, this shower is bigger than my first apartment shower, and that's no joke. All right, moving back into the bedroom, decorative mirror on the side. You've got a spot in the left-hand side of the coach. When you're walking back towards the bedroom, it's got this Splendid washer-dryer stackable combo, and these are amazing. You got everything you need right in this coach. Going further in, you've got a nice queen-size bed, beautiful headboard, lots and lots and lots of storage space. I mean, you got to see this coach. You really have to come talk to me. You've got a nice Samsung TV directly across from the bed, separate nightstands, everything. This is just amazing. So come and see me, Shane the Shark Man, here at Garrity RV. Give me a call. All the information you need is right below. When you're checking it out, make sure you say Shane the Shark Man presented this. And we will talk. We'll have lunch, a cup of coffee, whatever you want. Thank you very much. Have a fantastic day.